Today I'm gonna check my channel analytics and go through my channel videos and likes and views. So stay in tune and watch till the rest so you find out how my channel is performing and what you can do to improve your channel if you already have a channel. So, see you in a few seconds time. As you can see, I have 407 subscribers right now, and I've gained 253 subscribers in the last 28 days, and I gained 761 views in the last 28 days, and I gained 9.6 watch time hours in the last 28 days. I need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to get monetized on YouTube. Right now I have 407 subscribers and 30 watch hours. I have 83 uploads right now, 407 subscribers, 4,377 views in total. And it says I created it in 2016, my channel, but I only started uploading in 2018, middle of 2018. And it says my estimated yearly earnings is like max $41. But I can only earn money if I get monetized. But if I'm already monetized, I'd be earning like $41 right now due to my views. Like sometimes I get like 24 subscribers in one day, 9 subscribers, 100. Sometimes I lose some subscribers if I make like a bad video or if I don't upload for a while. And then sometimes I get like 142 views, sometimes I get only 5 views. And then in September, October, like November, it was going up and down because during October I didn't upload much, and then November I was uploading, December I didn't. But then now I'm starting to upload like 3 times a week, so now my stats are going up, even the subscribers. And if I go in future projections, it shows me how much I'll get, how much subscribers and views I'll get in the future. And then by the end of this year, my goal is to get 1,000 subscribers, but it estimates I'll get 1,585 subscribers by the end of this year and 11,496 views. That's actually pretty good. But this is not like accurate. It might be wrong. Like sometimes I could get slightly more than that or slightly lower than that. Because in case if I made a really good video, then my subs could be higher than what they predict. And then these are the subscribers milestone. It says I'll get 10,000 subscribers in 2022, so in like 2 years, and about 100. Wait, let's go on views milestone. And 100,000 views in 3 years, 2023. Well, I'll try to get 100,000 views by the end of next year, and 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year. I want to get 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year and 10,000 views by the end of this year. Achievements. I had my account's 3 years old. I just have to wait 1 more year and 4 years old. and then upload 100 videos. I've uploaded 83, just a few more videos to upload. Reach 1,000 subscribers on 400 some. That'll take a few months. I don't know how long this will take. Reach 100,000 views probably like next year. I've done these. These are the achievements I've completed. Uploading 25 uploads. I achieved that ages ago. And uploading one upload, I already did that ages ago. 3 years, 2 years, 1 year. Yeah, so I need to get 1,000 subscribers, and you can help by clicking the subscribe button. That'll be highly appreciated. And it says I'd get about 417 subscribers around tomorrow. It's a rough estimate based on current trend. Okay, let's go back to my channel analytics. Let me check which video has the most views. Let me sort it by views. Wait. Where's the view section? Okay, here. Okay, why t-shirt is a waste? That video you guys seem to like a lot. 784 views and 221 likes. And then my new channel trailer, 302 views, 34 likes. And one of my favorite videos I like, which doesn't have loads of views, but like one of my first videos, which I really like, was the magic tricks video. My first magic trick video. That'd be down here somewhere. Let me find it. Where is... Can't find it. Also 50. Might have passed it, I don't know. Let me just go. There it is. 63. Well, let me go on analytics for this video. 63 views, 1.2 watch hours from this video. I like this video because this was the first video I made, one of the first videos I made with my friends. And this video got me 223 impressions, and the click-through rate is 9.4%, which is pretty high compared to all my other videos. I also like the types of soccer players because I think I edited it well. I got 10 subscribers from this video. Like after someone clicked this video, click subscribe after seeing that video, and 144 views and 1 hour watch time. Oh, it has 721 impressions. That's actually pretty good. And 16.2% click-through rate. One of the videos I didn't really like was probably the pause challenge video. It's because like I don't know what I was doing. I don't know what to upload, so I just did that. And also I started getting more views after I changed my camera. Like all these old ones were recorded by iPhone 5. All these old ones were recorded by my old iPhone 5. And then, except a few ones, like the paper plane contest, that was recorded by the iPhone X. And then, this one was Lenovo Yoga 520 review. Was recorded by the iPhone X. And then, starting from... Well, you could see from here, these are iPhone 5S videos. Then here I started recording with my new phone, and since it's more clear, and also I used a different editing software, like from 26 views, 25, 22, 33 views, I started getting 180 views. I'll zoom it in if you can't see. Like I used to get 27, 25, 20, 33. 22 views. That was like my max before. And then after I started getting 180 views, 160 views, 145 views, 785 views. And these are just fireworks. Like some are like boring. Or like when I made the fort, it was actually pretty fun. I just had a dream and then of making it, and then since we had a bunch of boxes, I don't know what to do with it. Then I just decided to make a fort out of it. And then I only play Knack mainly when my friends come over and I play. And then when I got 100 subscribers for sure, I just made a video. And then I decided, why don't I make a new channel trailer since I already got past 100 subscribers. And I did 302 views. And then I realized what I used to make videos on. I sometimes make videos on how-to tutorials or like entertainment videos. And I realized my how-to videos, like my tutorial videos get more views than my entertainment videos because I'm better at giving tutorials. And then I decided to do how to block pop-ups on Google Chrome. 117 views 2 months ago. And then like I was just playing, I was searching through my toy box and finding, I was bored, I wanted to play something, and then I saw my Nerf gun, and then I decided to make like a Nerf warrior teaser. So basically I pretend to be a Nerf warrior, and then I teach you guys how to become a Nerf warrior. And then all the tests you have to do to become a Nerf warrior, like strength test. I was thinking of doing more, but then I don't know what to do, but I have an idea, but it'll take some time. I might do it in a few days' time, since now we're all at home because of the pandemic. Then I started making gaming videos, like which first didn't get much views, then it slightly got some views, 19 views, 42 views, 23. I think because you like mainly, and then after it started getting some views because I started uploading like 3 times a week, so yeah. And then if you just go to my about page, I was like, hi, I'm Haresh, be a HR supporter by subscribing to this channel. I post videos on tutorials, gaming and entertainment. And if you could watch all my videos, that would make my day. I love technology. I hope by watching my videos you have gained some knowledge on how to do something from my tutorial videos. Turn on the notification button so you can be the first to watch my latest videos. I really need to get 1,000 subscribers, so please just subscribe, and I need to get the 4,000 watch hours so I can get monetized, and then I can make better videos. By earning some money, I can spend that money to do some videos, better videos. So if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe button.